one wasn't good, but that second one, the way you laid into it, one more time, let me hear it. There you go. Hey, Dustin, make the sound of one of the animals on Old MacDonald's farm.
Quack, quack.
Yes.
Quack, quack. One answer left. Stacy?
Oh.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying, get ready.
Okay. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna get ready.